This and so much more here at Freedom Tax, you've got it all.
Hello, I'm Robert Acevedo. I'm an IRS enrolled agent here at Freedom Tax Accounting. And today I want to talk to you about what type of documents you want to have ready for when you come to do your taxes. At the beginning of tax season, we always get a lot of calls for people asking us what type of documentation they need to come and prepare their taxes. We divided this into three main categories: identification, documents that prove your income, and documents to declare your expenses. Examples of identification are, the most common one would be a driver's license, and also you also want to have a social security card. As far as documents to prove your income, well, the W-2 is the most common one, as well as when you're an independent contractor, you want to have a 1099. And as far as documents to prove your expenses, a summary of expenses is the most common thing that our clients usually bring. If you have any questions about what type of documentation you need to bring in order to be able to complete your return, please call us at 407-344-1012 or visit our website at freedomtaxfl.com. Thank you.
Call us at 407-344-1012 or visit us at freedomtaxfl.com.
Here at Freedom Tax, you've got it all.